Eatery with Jorge and Chef Keely, and we are going to make a make-home dinner. And we're going to show you how easy it is. So you can do that from the comforts of your own home.
Hi Saints, my name is Jorge and I'm the SRC President, but today I'm going to be a chef. Super excited. I don't really cook, so if I can make this, then so can you. And I'm here with the expert chef.
My name is Keely Pardo. I'm a second-year culinary management student, and I hope you enjoy this meal.
All the ingredients, it's perfectly labeled, so A to A. Alright, so some of the things that we need is a large pot, which we have right here, a colander or a strainer. And you can see it tells you step by step of what to do, which is amazing, especially if it's your first time cooking, or like me. I'm really excited because it's only going to take us 15 to 20 minutes. I know that as a student we're all busy, we have part-time jobs, we have assignments, exams, so this is great. And it feeds 2 people, so even better.
Package A, which is the tomatoes and onions, onto the baking tray, and you want to make sure they're lying flat and they're spread out so that they cook evenly. Perfect.
Oh wait, you don't even need Caesar. You said we have to spread it all evenly,
yep,
right?
Just make sure they're not far apart from each other.
So,
a few minutes later.
It's been 6 minutes, and after 6 minutes, we just have to take it out a little bit and just spread it up around. So, fingers crossed I don't get burned. Do spread it.
Yep, just turn them over a bit.
Turn them over.
And then they just go in the oven for 7 more minutes.
7 more minutes. Alright, perfect. So let's grab this and put it back in.
A few minutes later.
It smells amazing. Oh my gosh. A tablespoon of salt to the water. Know when the water is ready, it's hot and boiling.
Yep, so there'll be small little bubbles when it's almost at boiling. That's like a simmer, and then there'll be larger bubbles, and it'll be rapidly boiling at that point. And that's when your pasta's ready.
Now that the water is boiling, you can see that all the bubbles and everything. We add the ravioli in. And of each, okay. Oil and garlic. Just add it. Alright, so we just add it. Make sure that the garlic
Combine the oil and the white wine, and then you can just pour on top half of each.
So just pour. Good. And bon appetit, Saints. And the other side. So good.